Welcome back to Untitled Coding channel. Today tutorial will do strings. A string is a sequence of characters which is immutable. This means that once defined, they cannot be changed. A string is represented in Python by quotation, double quotation, or triple speech mark. Triple speech mark is used for multiple lines or if there's quotation within the text. Today you can use your idle platform to follow me during this tutorial, and I'll be using PyCharm. You can see how to download both in previous videos. So let's start. So if you open PyCharm and go to File, New Project, and give the location a name of your choice. I'll name today's tutorial. And click Create. Click this window and just wait for it to create that file. Once created, you right-click the tutorial folder and go to New and Python file. Give your file a name. This is the .py file, and I'll name this one string1. There'll be a series of string tutorial, so that's the reason for the one. We'll start by just saying I'll use this triple quotation because you can also use a triple quotation to blank out text. However, when used with a variable and the equal sign, then it's used as a string. So I'll show you both in this tutorial. Okay, so we'll just create a variable called message. And in that variable, we'll put our first string. So let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. Just realize we put the variable name, which can be any of your choice. So whatever you want that variable to name, just put it down, and then the equal sign, and with the quotation, it tells Python that this is a string we're creating. And then we'll do a print statement just to show the string and put message and right click and run. And as you can see, it gives a print statement of let us have some fun. And we'll do exactly that. Okay, we can also use a single speech mark, and this will do the exact same function as the double speech mark, as you see there. Let's have some fun. A problem can occur if we decide to put speech mark within the speech mark, basically. So if we do another string saying isn't with a speech mark, this fun. This will actually crash the program because after the second speech mark, Python think the string is finished, so it gets a syntax error because of that. This can be rectified by putting all that string within a double speech mark, like so. And when that's run now, then we'll have the same result. Isn't this fun? Another way we can rectify this problem is by putting a backward slash just before the quotation, and this should run fine. This is you telling Python that that speech mark is within the string. Okay. Another problem we can have when using double speech mark is if you're putting a double speech mark within the string, then this will also crash because it's reading that after the T, the string is finished. So as you see, that one will have a syntax error also. So the way to just rectify this is same as before. If you put a backward slash before, that should run fine. You can also put them in single quotation, and then Python will read that as the string. So take those out, and that should run fine also. Slash for the double space, and that should run. There you go. Isn't this fun? Okay, another thing, as I said before, using the triple speech mark after the equal sign as a string, you can have multiple line, or you can have quotation and speech mark within the string, just like that. And that should run fine, because between the triple speech marks, that tell Python that everything within them will be a part of the string. So you can have the single speech mark, you can have the double quotation, and it run fine because Python recognize that as the string. Also use a double quotation to put the triple quotation to do multiple line, just like that. And as you can see, it printed both lines within the triple quotation. So you can put as many lines as you want within, and it will run as one big string with multiple lines. To a single line string, and we'll just say, what do you like to do for fun? There's many ways you can manipulate a string in Python, and I'll show you how to do that with index. So if you should put 2 within the brackets, then this will tell you the third character. Remember that Python starts with 0, so the W would be 0, the H would be 1, and the A, what's printed, is 2. We can also have a -2. This would do the question mark as 1 and the N as 2. Starting with the minus, it starts from the end of the sentence. And as you can see, it starts from 1 from the end. However, from the front, when you do in the front, it starts from 0, 1, 2. So please try and remember when using this function. With Python, we can also get the length of the string, and we use that with using len function, and that will just give the length of everything within the string, the characters. And there you go, 31 characters within the string. Another cool function with Python, we can use the dot upper function, and as it says, as you can tell, this will convert all the string to uppercase when you run, like that. As you see, all the characters become uppercase, and we can do the reverse of this with the after the string, you just put dot lower with brackets, and that should convert everything within the string as a lowercase, like so. There you go. What do you like to do for fun? And as you can see, it's all in lowercase. And I'll just show you also the capitalize function. So this capitalize function, this will capitalize the first character within the string. So like so. Capitalize with the bracket, run. And as you can see, the W at the start became capitalized. We'll just make a second variable. I'll just delete that off, and we'll make a second variable called message2. I'll just show you how to add variables together. So let's just say with this, if you use a print statement and use the plus sign, so let's print the message, and as you see, are you ready? That runs fine. And then we can add the second message to the first. So we'll name message2 plus message, and this will add both variables and the string together. So do the reverse of that, so it sounds much better. So there you go. What do you like doing for fun? Are you ready to have fun? So that's a cool trick with strings in Python. We can also multiply the string like so, and as you see, that print the string 5 times. As you can see in Python, strings can be manipulated to fulfill whatever potential you want and whatever task you want to complete. In the next video, I'll just continue with the manipulations of string and all the cool stuff that you can do with strings. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching Untitled Coding channel, and I'll see you next time.